Hello everyone to welcome another video. So today we are going to discuss another website where you can go and you can earn money without making a video, without anything. Simply what you have to do, that you have to just type Adsterra, the company name. Okay, simply you have to click in that, and as you can see that it is mentioned over here. Then you have to go on sign up, and simply you have to click on affiliate. Okay, after clicking on affiliate, it will go another page where it will be asking for your name and email address. For this email, I'm just using a mail.tm because this is just an intro video, so I will let you know how you can make an account and how you can work on this website. So simply we will just copy email. You can put it your actual email, on which email you want to get the emails, like for the affiliate marketing or related to this website. So simply you have to put it your personal email, and then you have to just type over here the username, and then you can type here the password, which easily you can remember that. And then here where it is written the Skype, you can click on WhatsApp or whatever is feasible for you. You can type over there. If you don't want to put it your number, you can just simply click on the Skype or either Telegram, and then you have multiple options. You can transfer your money to PayPal, Bitcoins, and Ethereum, and the bank transfer. Simply I will just click on bank account, and I will just click on the button. Once I will click on the button, they will send it as one of that email. So we will just click here, and we will just wait for the email which they have sent it. So we have to confirm that email. After confirming of this email, we can go to our website, and then we can start our work. So simply we will just refresh this page. As we can see here, we have got the email, and here they're asking some of that questions. You don't need to reply on that. We will just wait for another link which will be mentioned just to confirm your account. So simply we will just wait for that, and you can see that it's mentioned like you can even answer this question. There is no harm. They are just asking like what was your goal, and what was like you have the platform where you can just advertise our website and you will get the money, instead of that just to giving a review. So all the question are here. You can even just answer this question. If you like that, either you just wait for the another email. As we can see here, we have get the second email. We will just click open. After we are clicking open, it is mentioned over there, just confirm your email. Once we confirm, it is processing. After processing of that, you will see that it's get confirmation. Once it is get confirmed, you can just simply log into your account, which is we already log in. Once you will log in your account, you will see all the interface. So we will just wait for this. Once processing will be completed, we will just start another work what you have to do exactly. So process is completed. Now simply we will just go to sign in, and once we will sign in, we will see that there are offers for us. So we can just click first of one. It is requesting for the link. We will just go to the link. Once we will come here, we will request for the link, and this link we can open once they will approve that. And it mention over there it's iPhone 13 Valentine's. Okay, we have to just give our remarks, and we have to wait for the confirmation from their side. As you can see there, here it is written how much you will get that, and it's a very easy job. You have to just give a review. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, just click on subscribe and leave your comments and like.